Hello, second grade. So this is lesson 3 of your butterfly life cycle text. If you need to hear this text in its entirety, then you need to go to your Myon icon and type in a butterfly's life cycle, and you can hear the entire book. In lesson 3, we will only be looking at pages 12 through 21. Our focus for today is the same as it's been over the last couple of days. It's identifying the main topic of a multi-paragraph text as well as the focus of specific paragraphs within the text. Remember, the main topic is who or what the text is all about. A paragraph is a section of writing that contains one or more sentences, and the focus is the main topic. This week we've also been learning how to figure out what the focus of each section is, and we do that by looking for repeating words or even repeating things in the photographs. Inside a pupa. The pupa hardens as it dries. Inside the pupa, a caterpillar's body changes. After about 2 weeks, the pupa cracks open. A butterfly pulls itself out of the pupa. Its body is wet and folded. Its wings slowly open and dry in the sun. So if I'm trying to figure out the focus of those 2 pages, that section of text, I need to think about what words repeated. And I heard the word pupa over and over again, so I know the focus of this section is about the pupa. In your journal, explain what the section inside a pupa on pages 12 to 15 was mainly about. Write 3 or more facts that you learned by reading these pages. So in your journal, I've given you a little template. You can write, this section was mostly about, and tell me what it was about, and then write 3 facts I learned by reading these pages are, and give me 1, 2, 3. Life as a butterfly. All summer, the monarch flies from flower to flower. It unrolls its long tongue to eat. The monarch sucks nectar from the flowers. Yum! Days get shorter. The weather gets cooler. Monarch butterflies know it is time for the long flight south. They rest in trees along the way. What do you think the focus of these 2 pages were? Did you see repeating words? Click the next slide to see my answer. Think about yours first. So, thinking through what the focus of this section is, you might get confused because words that repeat in this text, well, I see butterfly repeats twice within this section. I see the word monarch repeats 1, 2, 3 times in this section, but I also see the word flowers repeat 3 times in this section. So your brain might say, the section is about flowers. But wait, we need to use the photographs as well. In both photographs, I see a butterfly, I see butterflies, I see butterfly in the heading, as well as if I think about what a monarch is, what is that? Did you say butterfly? Correct. So I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that I either see a butterfly in a photograph, or I see the word butterfly, or I see monarch, which is all the same thing. So if you said the focus of this section was butterflies or monarchs, you're correct. In your journal, explain what the section Life as a Butterfly on pages 16 through 21 was mainly about. Write 3 or more facts you learned by reading these pages. So your first section is going to say, this section was mostly about, and then you can write 3 facts I learned by reading these pages are, and give me a 1, 2, 3.